Hello, how about getting, cash back when you shop online and in store? I'm sharing a secret app that I've been using for years and saved thousands of dollars. And this is called ibotta. You see it right here. And look what they got right now. Back to school, free for all, with 100% cash back on school supplies and snacks through ibotta. Wow, this is great. This is a great way because with everything going on with the gas prices and things like that, hey parents, you want to save as much as you can on school supplies and other things. Like I get cash back on things already I buy, like groceries, clothes, beauty products, and more. My link is below. Get started. Get started. You must try ibotta. And my link is below. And thank you. This is the free merchandise lady here to help you save and get things for free.